I have a spectacular Spanish style property in Eagle Rock that I can't wait to show you. I'm going to take you on a little tour. So this property is priced at $1.99 million. It's 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it has been completely renovated, and you're going to love it. So if you take a look here, everything has been touched in this property. You have, everything is down to the studs, and my favorite parts right here is this Spanish style window. You have a decorative fireplace right there. And then to your left, you have this great banquette with extra storage space down here. All the fixtures have been touched. So you have new electrical, new plumbing, new HVAC, new roof. The floors are actually original. They have been refurbished, which I love to keep that original charm. I love the arches here. It gives it that Spanish style feeling. This kitchen, I think, is absolutely amazing. You have beautiful quartz style countertops. They look just like marble. You have Bosch appliances. I love this dark green color cabinets. It has tons of countertop space, tons of natural light. You can see into the dining room. You can see into the living room. It just makes it feel so nice and open. So you have 2 bedrooms on this main level. One of the things I want to point out to you, when you're in these hallways, there's tons of natural light. They added skylights here, and they added this half bath here. So this is your guest bath. And then this is your dedicated laundry area with washer and dryer hookup there. And then you have a flash water heater. So you have instant hot water. One of the cool parts about this bedroom is that it has access to this new deck that they've built out here. Plus it has an ensuite bathroom here. You do have your quartz countertops and that tile in the surround. And then if we move over to the second bedroom on this level, so we'll walk through here. I like, again, some of the things that make it real Spanish are these arches here. And then this is your secondary bedroom here. Really good size. And you have a little baby walk-in closet there. And then your guest bath here, again, with the quartz countertops and the tile and the shower. So that's your guest bath for this bedroom. You have some built-ins here, and then this is kind of a flex space. So you could use this for many different options. You could put an office here. You could make this a family room. This does have access to your deck. So you could have a nice party here. This is a perfect entertaining house. Now, upstairs, you have your primary bedroom. So as you go up here, now these floors here are engineered hardwood. So they're not original, but they are engineered hardwood that they tried to match as closely as they could. In your primary bedroom, you have a wall full of closets there. So those are all built in. Really good size. This is a king size bed. And then you have your primary bathroom here. Double sinks. You have your quartz countertops here. A skylight to let in lots of natural light. And then you have the tile surround here in the shower. So downstairs, you have your 4th bedroom. Now you can do a lot of things with this 4th bedroom down here. You could either use it as a playroom, put a pool table down here or a ping pong table, make it another bedroom. If this was me, I would probably add a bathroom here to make it an ensuite bathroom. You do have access to your garage and the deck from there. And then you also have access to this backyard from your French doors. Now, this backyard, it's a 7,400 square foot lot, freshly landscaped, and all of these bushes around here are gonna grow really fast. They're a ficus bush, so they will grow really tall. And you have a 2-car garage. So if you wanted more space, if this was not enough space for you, then you could convert this into an ADU and add an extra 400 square feet to that property. Now, if you have any questions or if you'd like a private showing, I'd be more than happy to show this to you. My phone number is 213-268-6832. My name is Philippe Crook with eXp Realty, unlocking your future.